In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Darktable for editing your images. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just getting started, understanding how to navigate Darktable can really take your photos to the next level. First things first, you'll need to have Darktable installed on your computer and have your photo ready to edit. To begin, open your photo in the darkroom view. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a variety of tools and options on your screen, which can be a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll go through them step by step. Once your photo is open, the first adjustments you'll want to make are exposure and white balance. These are foundational edits that set the tone for everything else. In the exposure module, you can tweak the brightness of your image. This compensates for any over or under exposure from your camera. White balance is equally crucial as it helps to ensure the colors in your photo appear natural. Use the white balance module to adjust the temperature and tint until the colors look right to your eyes. After you've set the exposure and white balance, it's time to dive into colors. The color balance. RGB and color zones modules are your go-to tools. These allow you to fine-tune the colors in your image. Maybe you want to make the blues in a sky more vivid, or tone down the reds in a sunset. Play around with these settings. They offer so much versatility and are perfect for both minor tweaks and dramatic changes. At this stage, you might notice certain areas that require more specific adjustments. This is where local adjustments come in handy. Using drawn or parametric masks, you can apply changes only to certain parts of the image without affecting the whole picture. It's like having a virtual paintbrush to target specific areas, giving you greater control over your final output. Now, to add more detail and texture to your photo, head over to the Local Contrast and Sharpen modules. The Local Contrast tool enhances the details, making the image pop, while the Sharpen module defines the edges to give a crisp finish. These adjustments can really highlight the intricacies in your photo, making them stand out. If you feel like your composition needs a bit of tweaking, there's an option to crop, straighten, or even add a vignette. Cropping can alter the framing of your image, while straightening can correct any unintended tilts. Adding a vignette subtly draws the viewer's focus to the center by darkening the edges, which can add a professional touch to your photos. And with that, you've learned how to use Darktable to edit your images. With these straightforward steps, you can transform your photos and hone your editing skills. Don't forget to save your work and feel free to experiment further. Darktable is a powerful tool with many features waiting for you to explore. Happy editing!